Bose SoundLink speakers that feature a shortcut button can be linked together for a more immersive music experience. First, make sure your shortcut button is set to link two Bose Bluetooth speakers. You can link to one other speaker at a time. For an optimal experience, make sure the two speakers are within 30 feet of each other and there are no obstructions between them. Next, press the shortcut button on one of the speakers. A voice prompt will direct you to press the shortcut button on a second compatible speaker.
Press the shortcut button on a second Bose Bluetooth speaker.
The shortcut light will blink white on both speakers, and then it'll glow solid white once they're linked. A voice prompt will announce the mode on both speakers.
Party mode.
If the speakers are different models, you can only play audio in party mode. This means your music will play on both speakers in unison. If the speakers are the same model, they will play audio in stereo mode by default.
Stereo mode.
This means one speaker will play the left channel and the other will play the right channel.
Left. Right.
To switch between stereo and party mode, just press the shortcut button on either speaker.
Party mode.
To unlink the speakers, press the power button on either speaker or press and hold the shortcut button.
Bose speakers unlinked.
You can also unlink the speakers or change the mode within the Bose app. To learn how to connect your speaker with a Bose smart speaker or soundbar, check out our video about Simple Sync next. For additional support, visit our website.